Creatine is hot right now, but many people still worry that it's dangerous. If this is you, you'll be glad to hear about a brand new study that confirms the safety of creatine. This study analyzed the data from almost 700 studies on creatine involving about 13,000 subjects taking creatine and about 13,000 subjects taking a placebo. The average dose of creatine was around 12 grams per day, with most studies lasting several months or years, and some even lasting longer than a decade. The researchers reported in the 2025 issue of the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition that out of all the studies, only 13% reported any side effects from taking creatine, while 13% also reported side effects from taking the placebo. So, as far as side effects reporting goes, there is no difference between creatine and a placebo. They also found that across 49 different side effects, including sleep issues, liver issues, kidney issues, and heart issues, that there were no differences between creatine and placebo. And when they analyzed the database on adverse events reports for supplements, which included over 28 million reports, creatine was only mentioned 203 times, or roughly around 0.0007% of reports. And most of those involved other supplements or drugs taken at the same time as the creatine. There was, however, a higher incidence of gastrointestinal or stomach issues from taking creatine as compared to a placebo. But that's to be expected, as 95% of the studies analyzed used creatine monohydrate. Many people have GI issues from taking creatine monohydrate. If this is you, simply take the creatine hydrochloride form to avoid stomach problems. So based on hundreds of studies on creatine and millions of adverse events reports on supplements, it appears that creatine is no more dangerous than a placebo. Now, maybe creatine will finally start being viewed as the safe and critical energy nutrient that it is, not as some dangerous muscle and strength building drug, which it isn't. Tag someone who wants to try creatine.